Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today let's talk about AMD because it seems AMD is starting to get very interesting. Right now is a crucial moment for AMD. Let's talk about that and much more. Just remember my friends, subscribe at this channel if you're new around here for daily analysis. If you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button because you know that I never disappoint you guys. I will always do my best for you, sharing my knowledge in technical analysis and price action. And remember, I'm just a retail trader sharing my opinions, so please don't consider me as an expert or as an investment advisor, okay? Right now, AMD is in a very complex scenario. The market is in a very complex scenario. However, even in the most frustrating situation, we can beat the market. Did you know that the Finance Hydra trading methodology is impressive because it can give you a brutal performance along with an amazing consistency. Our results beat the market. We can beat it easily by a mile. If you want to trade with me, consider subscribing at our trading newsletter. The link to my website is in the description. My performance is totally public, so if you want to join me, consider subscribing us, okay? Now, back to AMD. Not AMD, let's talk about the S&P first, because AMD will probably follow the market from here. The S&P, both the S&P and the NASDAQ, they hit their support levels. Starting with the S&P, see this black line at 41.67. We hit that point yesterday. Today, we are doing a fantastic reaction. What's more, we triggered a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart. We did a higher high, higher low. This is a classic reversal signal. In fact, it is one of the best reversal signals ever. You could possibly ask for. The Nasdaq is doing the exact same pattern, just above its support levels. Now, the market is about to reverse. It is already reversing. What this means for AMD? Well, AMD is passing through a very similar situation. AMD just hit its support level at $84.24 at this blue line down here. And right now, we see a very good reaction. In the daily chart, we can't see that much, but if you look in the 1 hour chart, it also did a classic bullish pivot point. It did a higher high, higher low. The best reversal chart pattern ever. What's more, it did break the purple trend line. This purple trend line is here since March 2022, since the end, March 30, 2022 to be more specific. It has been connecting the previous top levels on AMD since that day, and it was a very hard line to break. And right now, for the first time, we see it breaking this line. We see something new in roughly 1 month, meaning, okay, this is interesting. This is exciting. This is probably the start, the beginning of a bullish reversal. And we do see, I don't know you, but some people might consider this as a rounded bottom chart pattern or even a handle and cup chart pattern, right? I mean, usually I know it's technically it is cup and handle chart pattern, but you may say the pattern is still here, right? It's still present. In my humble opinion, if you look at smaller time frames, even smaller than the 1 hour chart, you can see clearly an inverted head and shoulders over here, right? You can see either way, all of these signals are bullish reversal patterns, okay? So it does not matter. The bias is turning to bullish right now. Finally, for the first time in nearly 1 month, we are doing this. And this is very good. This is very exciting. The market overall speaking is reversing. Many stocks are doing their reversal patterns, and AMD is doing this as well. Right now, what is the most important key point for us to watch on NVIDIA? In my humble opinion, $91.35. This was a previous resistance level. And if we do break it, I think AMD will do a fantastic reversal signal for the mid-term as well, not only in the short term, because short-term speaking, it did trigger this pivot point. Okay, so it is already bullish. But if it does break 91.34, I'm so sorry, 35, it's going to be in bullish territory for good. Now, what can we expect in the short term? Okay, we did higher high, higher low. Now, whatever if it retests the previous resistance level, even if it does a pullback, we have the 21 EMA to hold the price. So if it drops, okay, we still have the EMA working as a support level, and the pullback to the EMA would be just an opportunity to buy or to add positions, especially if you are a long-term investor. Why? Because AMD is bullish right now in the short term. Okay? Now, by breaking the 91.35 around this area, let me make it visible in the daily chart as well. By breaking this black line in the daily chart, it will probably do an even stronger reversal chart pattern, and then we will see the next resistance at the 21 EMA in the daily chart. And by breaking the EMA in the daily chart, AMD will trigger another incredible bullish signal. For the first time since March 30, we would break the EMA. That would be very good, amazing. In this case, the next target would be the gap at $118.60. That would be the next target to work with on AMD. And these are all the key points that AMD must break in order to materialize this bullish scenario. This is why it is extremely important to keep your eyes open around the EMAs in both daily and hourly chart and 91.35. Okay, I think that's the most symbolic point ever on AMD. Now, what if I'm wrong? What if AMD actually loses the $84.24 and engages in a bear market along with the indices? In this case, AMD will just seek for next support levels. The next one is $78.85. Okay, right now, I'm not necessarily trading AMD. I don't see a crystal clear opportunity. Again, if you want to trade with me, subscribe at our trading newsletter. But right now, I think AMD dropped. If you look in the weekly chart, AMD dropped sharply. However, the volume decreased. The volume is below the average in the past few weeks. So I think this was just a classic false breakout from a support level, and AMD has decent chances of recovering at least to the EMA in the weekly chart. The EMA in the weekly chart is around $110 at this moment. Probably it will drop a little bit more because it is the EMA, but still the situation looks quite good in the short midterm. Let's keep our eyes open. I will keep you guys updated every week on AMD. I record videos every single day in this channel, so again, remember to subscribe and click on the like button to support this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Stay safe. Farewell.